don't think the Act caters to the needs of our teachers both in the short term and the long term. It does not provide for medical emergencies. It does not provide for maternal or paternity leave. And if there's a family crisis, what will our teachers do? Rural access limitations also? Come on, we have to do better. We understand the situation and we are up for a good bill, but we recommend the following. 1, we want to extend the licensing period from the current 5 years to 10 years. 2, we want the JTC to be funded by government subventions and not teachers' licensing or renewal fees. Police records, once, and only if you have reasonable doubt or suspicion that a teacher has participated in some other activity, then you ask for another police record. We want to introduce a 6-month grace period for license renewal instead of the 3 months. And also, we want to merge registration and licensing into a single process to reduce duplication and also reduce delay. Come on, the teachers are the foundation of a modern Jamaica. And without them, the country cannot grow and advance to where it ought to be. Let us try our best to focus on modernizing the teaching experience. Let us try to focus on giving the teachers the tools they need in order for them to provide the foundation that the country requires.